Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your iPhone hotspot name so you can easily recognize it when connecting other devices. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find Personal Hotspot. Tap on it. Here, you will see your Wi-Fi password, but the hotspot name itself is not directly editable from this section. Instead, your hotspot name is actually the name of your iPhone. So what we need to do is go back and scroll down to General. Tap on it, then select About at the top. Now you will see the Name option. Tap on it, and here you can change your iPhone's name to anything you want. For example, you can rename it to something simple, like iPhone, or something more unique. Once you've changed the name, go back to the Personal Hotspot section. Now you'll notice that your hotspot name has been updated automatically to match the new iPhone name. And that's it. Now you know how to change your iPhone hotspot name.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!